Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Dodge Challenger Shaker. This one's fitted with the 5.7 liter V8, fitted with the standard 6.7 liter, what? 6-speed manual. Wow. I'm gone. Glad I caught myself there. Yep, 5.7, little under 40,000 miles. Rocking summer tires that are actually gripping up pretty well today. Under 40 degrees and some melting snow. Aftermarket louvers. And there is the 5.7. Cold air intake comes in through the shaker, and then that air that the shaker takes in comes straight into the airbox. I don't know if there's any mechanical mods. It sounds stock. Doesn't sound like a mid-muffler delete or anything like that. This one used to have cloth seats. Previous owner put cat skin leather, which is why I'm saying there might be some hidden mods that nobody's telling me about. There we go. When you're stationary, there's no reverse lockout. All your books and manuals. Idiot. All right, yeah, let's do that. This is the first time I've ever filmed a manual 5.7. I've driven a couple, I think, maybe 2 or 3 5.7 Chargers or Challengers. Never a manual. .7 has such a unique sound. At idle it sounds like the 6.4, but it sounds like it's just ripping everything apart. It is awesome. Watching the shaker, whenever you give it any gas at all, does a little rotation. That's why it's called the shaker. we're gonna be a little bit more careful. It's starting to clear up a bit, but it's still pretty greasy on the road. Of course, with the 375 horsepower, it's a lot better than a Hellcat around here. Honestly, the 5.7 with the manual, I think might be a perfect Goldilocks Challenger. Even though the real Goldilocks is the 6.4, but... Oh, this thing's a riot, guys. Clutch is a great weight, too. I don't know if that's a mod or anything like that, but... I think the 5.7 has a heavier clutch than the 6.4, and the Hellcat has a heavy, heavy, heavy clutch. And now, that's not auto rev match, that's me doing that. Since I daily drive a Challenger, I'm used to this pedal setup. Almost seems like this 5.7 is a little bit more eager to rev match. Just might be losing my marbles. Not sure though. Redline is a little above $6,000. I'm used to 6.4. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.